Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? Today, I'm going to introduce to you a school where you can attend in Netherlands. Yes, for free. And if this is something that you are interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. And if you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I like to know you and I like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all of my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for all your love and incredible support. I see how you like my videos. I see how you share my videos every single time. I want to say a big thank you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper. Let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you do the same thing as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also, that is about it. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into how to travel to Netherlands free of charge. Follow me. Let's go. So guys, I know that getting a world-class education does not have to come with a heavy price tag. Not when you are studying in Netherlands. I mean, for international students, they offer some of the most generous and accessible scholarships funded by both the Dutch government and top-ranking universities. Now, these scholarships don't just lower the cost of studying there, they also open the door to a globally recognized education system. And they have over 9 Dutch universities that are ranked in the QS World University Rankings and 2026 top 200 schools. Add to that wide range of English taught programs and an education model that focuses on real-world skills. And you're looking at an opportunity that goes, of course, beyond the confines of the classroom, and it doesn't even stop at graduation. Now, with the orientation year permit, international students can now stay back for up to 12 months to explore job opportunities or even start their own careers without needing a separate work permit. So if you are aiming for quality education, strong career prospects, and financial support that actually makes a difference, the Netherlands deserve a spot at the top of your list. And here are some types of scholarships in Netherlands for international students. So besties, in Netherlands, scholarships for international students fall broadly in 2 broad categories. They have the government funded and they also have the university specific scholarships. Both of them actually improve access to quality education, yes, and academic excellence among students from outside the European Economic Area, EEA. Now, for government-funded scholarships, these scholarships are funded by the Dutch government and its official agencies, and they are designed to actually attract talented individuals from around the globe, and they always focus on specific academic levels or even fields. Now, most of these scholarships are awarded full-time for master's or even bachelor's degree programs at participating Dutch universities. Now, the financial coverage and duration may vary, yes, but government-funded scholarships generally contribute towards tuition fees, living costs, or even both of them. Some of them are aimed at students from specific regions or people with relevant professional background. Now, for university-specific scholarships, Dutch universities also offer direct scholarships through their own institution funds. They're typically awarded based on academic merit, potential, or even financial need. Now, some of these schools allocate scholarships across all faculties, while others target specific departments or even programs. The amount and the structure of these scholarships also vary, widely. They may cover partial or even full tuition, and in some cases, they provide additional support for living expenses. The application processes are managed by each university, and eligibility criteria are clearly outlined on their official portal. Here are the list of scholarships that you can apply for in Netherlands. With a clear understanding of these 2 main scholarship types, it's time to explore the opportunities that are available. Right now, the most prominent scholarships that you can apply for to study in Netherlands. The first one is NIL. The first one is NL scholarships. Yes, it's formerly known as Holland scholarships. It is also merit-based, yes, and it is government funded. The amount is for 5,000 euros and it's a one-time grant. And this is the eligibility criteria. So number 1, you must hold a nationality outside the European Economic Area, which means you must not be from Netherlands, and you must be applying for a full-time master's or bachelor's degree at a participating Dutch higher institution, and you must also meet the specific admission requirements for the selected institution. You can find the details on their website. And you must not already hold a degree from any other educational institution in the Netherlands. So they expect that you are coming from outside the country to take advantage of their scholarship opportunities. So guys, if you're watching this video, these scholarships are open to people from all over the world. I don't care what country you're from. I don't care what continent, whether you're from Asia or from Africa or North America, anywhere in the world, you can apply for these scholarships in Netherlands. And I've just explained to you there are university specific scholarships and there are government scholarships that you can also explore. Some of them give partial or full funding, and some of them are actually need based. So if you are able to demonstrate that you need this funding, then they will be more than happy to offer it to you. So it all depends on your statement of purpose. If you're able to write a captivating statement, and please, I need you guys to be authentic, yes, in your application. So whenever you apply for these scholarships, please make sure that you are as genuine as much as possible and tell them why and how you hope to contribute back to your home country as well as while you are studying in Netherlands. Highlight some of your past works, your leadership, all the things that you have done in the past and all of the amazing work that you have participated in, whether in your church. These are things that actually contribute, whether in your church or in your local community or in your university or in your current school. Back in high school, there were events that you organized or you tried to resolve an issue or something. All of these things contribute towards your success, when it comes to scholarships. You might think you don't have any experience, but I promise you, if you're 18, I believe you've gathered at least 18 years of experience and you can share a thing or two that you have done and you have been able to contribute positively to your overall community. So go ahead and apply for all of these amazing opportunities. And if you're interested in traveling abroad, for a 1-week conference, for fully funded conferences, then I have a lot of that on my channel. I researched a lot of fully funded conferences. But in my next video, I'm also going to share with you another Netherlands scholarship that you can also take a look at. But of course, the link to all these resources I just gave, you're going to find them in my description as well. So guys, if you have any question, let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, if you want to talk to me one-on-one, then you can book my one-on-one consultation. But first, you need to be a Patreon member. Yes, a Patreon member of this channel. So all you need to do is to click on the link, join my Patreon community. The link is in the description, and then you can click on the join button right next to the subscribe button and join my channel membership. Yes, and we can discuss all things scholarships, all things education, all things I-20, and all of the good stuff. I'm here to help you. I'm here to support you. And don't forget, if you are new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I really want to know you. And I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your incredible love. Thank you for your support. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the depth of my heart. God bless you real good. So that being said, guys, if this video has blessed you, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Love you.